already primed my eyelids and I did my eyebrows off camera for the purpose of the video. So we're going to begin with this Halloween tutorial. I'm super excited because I'm going to be Minnie Mouse with my daughter. So we're going to be using this palette right here from Nikita Dragun Morphe X palette. If you guys don't know who she is a stunning and she is a baddie, let me tell you. But Nikita did a great job picking out her colors. Like, these are beautiful colors. So I'm just gonna swatch like 2 or 3 colors and then we're gonna just begin with the makeup tutorial. So we're going to swatch. I want to swipe in this one because this one is super bright and super beautiful. It's like a neon green. Look how beautiful is the pigment, like gorgeous. So I'm gonna place that on my hand, and this is Shigo. Let me see what else. I want to do like a shimmer. I'm gonna swipe in this one, and this is Kitana. And it looks like this. It's like a purplish blue color. Let's swipe in that one on my hand. That one you can't really see. Let me dig in a little dig. Alright, and that's how it looks. That's how the purplish look. I'm going to try Matrix. This looks beautiful. Look, this is Matrix. That's a gorgeous, gorgeous, glittery, different color. Blues, purples, greens, beautiful color. So we're going to swatch that right here. Wow, look how gorgeous is Matrix. I'm not playing with that color today, but I'm super excited to try that color out a little later in my next video. But look how beautiful is that. Alright, so I'm going to be using this color right here, and this is Artificial, and I'm going to place that in my crease area. And I'm going to be using my Morphe fluffy brush right here. It's a smaller, fluffier brush, and I'm just going to place that on the crease area. Alright, so I'm going to intense that color a little bit more. I'm going to be placing Seduction, and it's this color right here. And I'm going to place that right where I put that Artificial color. Now when you got that color, now we're going to be using this color right here, Nasty, and it's a black color. And I'm going to be using a angle brush just like this little angle brush, small little angle brush, and I'm going to grab that color black and I'm going to place it on my lid. I'm going to outline the black. And then with the angle brush, I'm just going to brush it up. And then repeat the process, just because you're trying to get that black color super intense. So we're just going to repeat the process. And I'm going to use my Morphe fluffy brush. It's a smaller brush, and I'm just going to blend that out. And then we do it again, the same process. And then blend again. So we're going to bring out that brown color again. So we're going to use the Seduction color, this color right here, and we're just going to smoke it out with that black. Grab that black and blend away. You see how that's coming along really nicely, smoking it out. That's what we're looking for. And I'm gonna grab that Seduction color. So it's really soft and gentle. Alright guys, so this is how the eyes look. I'm going to use my micellar cleansing water with a little cotton. I'm just going to clean out that fallout and just underline a little bit just to make the process a little easier and faster. Alright, so I'm going to use my e.l.f. 16 Hour Camel Concealer and I'm just going to underline where I cut that. Now I'm going to be using this little color right here. It's like gel color. I got this from the Halloween store. So I'm going to be using the red color. And I'm going to place that where I cut my lid. So I'm going to use a flat brush like this. And grab that color. And just place that all over my lid. All for you, Minnie Mouse. All right, now I got that red color. Now we're going to be using Nicole, the red color right here, and we're gonna place that on our lid. I'm gonna use a flat brush like this and spray it, and then place that red all over the lid. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Lasting Black Liner. Alright guys, so I did the wing. I'm going to be using this baby right here. And I'm going to be using this little art pencil. It doesn't really have any name. So it's like a little arts and craft. I bought this in Michael's. So we're going to use that. And I'm going to use this red piece right here. And I'm going to attempt to do my bow. Alright guys, I'm going to clip my hair because we're going to get very artsy, so hopefully this come out great. If it doesn't, hey guys, I tried. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making a circle and attempt to do a bow. So I'm going to do the bow, I'm going to do the circle. So I did a circle and then I'm doing 2 lines, so it's going to look like a little necklace. So I'm gonna go up and then the other side. Now I'm going to go, I'm gonna go grab this bow, move it more this way. So that's one bow. Now I gotta do the other side. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to grab my ColourPop, and this is a white pencil, and I'm just gonna dot some white lines. Put one in the circle. Now I'm going to grab that pencil again, and I'm just gonna outline the red, color that bow. I know guys, it doesn't really look like a bow yet, but just bear with me. I'm just coloring the part that doesn't have the white. The black color, and I'm just going to outline the bow with black. that's my bow, guys. I hope I kind of showed you kind of how to do it. I mean, it's not the perfect bow, but this will do. So now I'm just going to place my lash glue, and I'm just going to place that all over my lid so I can put the glitter. And I advise you to do your liner first before you put the glitter, because it will be easier to do your wing liner. Alright guys, so I'm going to use my red glitter. I have two. This one has a little more sparkly, like different color inside, like greenish and stuff, and this one's just fully red. So I'm just going to use both. This is the fun part because I love glitter, as you guys know. I'm going to use this flat brush, spray it a little bit, and I'm just going to place that all over my lid. Look how beautiful is that glitter. Like, yes, Minnie Mouse, come to life. I'm gonna prime my face, and I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Put that all over. I know Halloween is over when I post this, but what you guys were for Halloween, please let me know in the comments below and tell me what you guys were. And did you guys do anything? Did you guys go to a party? Is the clubs open right now? I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and this is in Caramel. I'm going to place that all over my face. And I'm going to use my foundation brush, and I'm just going to place that all over my face. Now I'm going to use my sponge. I'm going to spray it just so I can blend all that foundation out. I'm going to put my lashes on, and I'm going to use Dose of Color, and this is in 20 medium tan. I'm going to spray my sponge and blend everything out. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick. And it's this color right here. And I'm going to use this little brush just so I can contour and bring out that color back. Then I'm going to use this angle brush right here, and I'm just going to blend my nose. I'm going to use my Morphe palette. This is Totally Tan 8T. And I'm going to use this color right here, this bronzer color. And I'm going to use this brush, and I'm just going to bronze my face. I'm going to set my face, and I'm going to use my Huda Beauty, and this is Banana Bread. This powder brush, and I'm just going to put that all over my face for now. Alright, so now we're going to do underneath our eyes. Place that nasty color, and that is black. I'm going to use my Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil, and this is in Nude. I'm going to place that underneath my waterline. Alright guys, so I already did my eyes. So I'm going to do blush. I'm going to use my e.l.f. blush palette. And it's this beautiful colors right here. I'm going to use these two reddish color. I'm going to place that on my cheek area. Now I'm going to use the same palette, the Morphe palette, Totally Tan 8T. And I'm just going to use these two colors, and I'm just going to highlight my face. I'm going to use this brush right here. I'm going to be using my LA Girl Ultimate Lip Intense Stay Auto Lip Liner in red. And I'm going to be using my 35 Passion Miss Rose lipstick. So I'm going to do my underline my lips first. And I'm excited for the red lip. Alright, I'm going to put this red lipstick. I want something in my inner corner. What do I want? I'm going to use this gold color right here, this Escort color, and I'm going to place that in my inner corner of the eyes. I'm going to use this brush right here. And I'm going to spray it. But my lips is missing something. I think I'm going to do it darker. I'm going to be using my Dewy Set for Anastasia Beverly Hills setting spray. I'm going to set my face. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my hair and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this Minnie Mouse makeup tutorial. I had a fun time creating this look and I hope you guys did too. But until my next video and until next time, bye bye.